This 100-ton per day peanut oil production line is contracted by Huatai Group. Follow the camera to see the complete peanut oil production process. First, the peanuts are fed by the elevator. The equipment precisely controls the feeding speed to ensure stable production operation. In the production workshop, raw materials pass through the vibrating cleaning, sieve and destoner in sequence to remove impurities and stones from peanuts. Then they are conveyed to the crusher for uniform crushing. The crushed materials go into the cooking pan with the temperature kept at 120 degrees Celsius to improve the oil yield. The cooked peanut particles are sent to the oil press for pressing. Peanut oil residues go through the residue collector and are fed back to the oil press for cycling pressing. Peanut oil cakes are transported to the peanut cake warehouse for centralized collection. The whole production line features scientific design, high efficiency, and energy saving. From equipment customization and process design to complete plant installation and commissioning, Huatai Group provides turnkey projects, whether for peanut, soybean, and rapeseed oil production. We can customize the most efficient and stable edible oil production line for you. For high-end grain and oil equipment, choose Huatai Group.